Welcome to this lecture on Mastering Fragnesia, Linux Kernel LPE exploit, focused on CVE 2026-46300. In this section on advanced Linux kernel exploitation, we'll examine a memory fragmentation abuse issue in the Linux kernel buddy allocator. The core topic here is local privilege escalation through heap and memory management behavior inside the kernel. Specifically, this lecture centers on how fragmentation-related conditions in low-level page allocation can create an opportunity for exploitation when allocator state is manipulated in a precise way. Because this is an advanced topic, the emphasis is on understanding the allocator mechanics, the security impact of memory coalescing behavior, and why this kind of bug is especially dangerous in kernel space. The goal is to build a clear mental model of how a flaw in page management can be turned into a path from limited user control to full system compromise. Fragnesia is short for fragmentation plus amnesia. The name captures the core issue. During aggressive page coalescing, the kernel effectively loses track of the true boundary between memory that is still in use and memory that has been freed. That confusion creates a path from user space into privilege escalation. The root cause is a time of check, time of use race in the function free one page in plus pagealloc.c. Specifically, the buddy allocator fails to recheck page flags at the critical moment of coalescing. The important flag here is PG private. If that flag changes at just the right time, the allocator can incorrectly merge pages that should never be merged. The exploit starts by preparing the memory layout. An attacker maps a file-backed page, for example from a sensitive file, and then creates a large number of mappings to shape allocator behavior and improve reliability. Next comes the race trigger. One thread calls munmap to free the target page, while a second thread uses an IOITL path to set the PG private flag on that same page. The attacker is trying to hit the narrow window where the allocator has made one assumption, but the page state changes before coalescing completes. If the race is won, the kernel merges unrelated allocations into what becomes a larger combined page region. Instructions like CLFlush and mfence help widen and stabilize that race window, and the attacker repeats the attempt millions of times until the allocator makes the wrong merge. Once that happens, the overlap gives access to metadata that should be isolated. In the successful case, that means gaining write access to a privileged process's cred structure. Changing the UID to 0 turns that memory corruption bug into full root privilege. Fragnesia has real impact anywhere the kernel is exposed to untrusted activity at scale. In cloud container environments, this can turn into a container escape that reaches the Kubernetes host. Once the host is compromised, the risk quickly expands to the entire cluster. On Android devices, a low-privilege app can potentially bypass SE Linux, gain root, and even open the door to bootloader access. That takes this from a local bug to a full device compromise. In enterprise servers, this is especially dangerous for insider threats. An attacker who gets kernel-level execution can install rootkits like Reptile or Diamorphine and maintain long-term, stealthy access for data exfiltration. From a detection standpoint, start with kernel signals. Watch DMESG for messages like bad page state. Also monitor for unusually frequent MAP and minmap activity with audit D, because that pattern can indicate memory grooming for exploitation. If you need deeper visibility, acquire kernel memory and analyze it with tools like Volatility or Lime. For mitigation, patching is the priority. The fix adds a memory barrier and rechecks the relevant flags so page state can't be misread during the race. After that, harden the environment. Enable slab freelist hardening. Use KSLR, restrict kernel pointer exposure, and deploy runtime detection, such as Falco with eBPF, to catch suspicious behavior. The key takeaway is simple: patch first, harden second, and monitor continuously. Kernel optimization can deliver major performance benefits, but when validation breaks down, that same logic becomes a powerful attack surface.